A ballast retrofit installation is a global project with many parties involved. It's the owner, engineering companies, installation companies, yard and many others. Project management, training and installation guidelines will ensure that the cost and the time will be within the estimated frame. The knowledge in pure ballast system is essential for a good installation on board a vessel. Therefore, we always provide free education for all engineering partners.
Our engineering partners know our systems very well, which of course is a great advantage when it comes to installation on the vessels and doing the engineering work.
When our guys go on board the ship, they tend to be the first point of contact with the technical representatives of the company. So we have a really in-depth knowledge of the system, having done the engineering design on 2 or 3 of the Carnival ships. So we are very pleased with the support that Alfa Laval provide.
We are definitely ready for the upcoming retrofit boom.